How to make Google Chrome your default browser. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser in Windows. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, simply open the Windows settings. And now here, once you have opened the settings, you simply have to click on the apps which can be seen in the left hand sidebar. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you simply have to click on the option labeled as default apps. And now here, once you are inside the default apps, then you simply have to click on the search bar at the top. And now here you simply have to search for the Chrome app. And now here, once you have selected it, simply click on it. And now here, once you are inside the Chrome at the top, you can see the option that says make Google Chrome your default browser. So here you simply have to click on set default. And that's it. That's how you can set Google Chrome as your default browser. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.